Hi, boys and girls. I hope you guys enjoyed Field Day on Friday. Don't forget, we have a Zoom meeting today at 11. This is the weekly agenda for this week. Again, I encourage you guys to please, please, please print this out, and then you can actually check off the assignments as you do them. And this way, you don't have to worry about if you're missing anything. For today, Monday, your first task is to listen to Who Was Sacagawea, Chapter 5. In my opinion, this is one of the most interesting chapters, and you get to learn a little bit more about the dynamic between Sacagawea and Lewis and Clark. They build another fort, so you get to see that and explore that a little bit. I'm also going to start your tribe project today. Reading, you have 3 new subtopics this week: politics, food, and immigration. Writing, you are going to continue to make another write long. And then math, we are starting lesson 7.11 today. For Spirit Week today, it is Pattern Day. Make it funky, wear zigzags, polka dot stripes, or anything with a pattern. Bonus, try multiple patterns. My favorite pattern is polka dots. All right. Social studies. Again, you're going to listen to chapter 5, and the new fort that you're going to learn about today is Fort Clatsop. So there are a few different ways you can explore this fort. You can go onto Google Maps. I do recommend dropping your person at both of the blue spots that you're able to. There's a website that has pictures, and you can move the camera left and right and explore inside and outside of the fort that way. And then there's just a YouTube link video tour of somebody walking around with a camera and showing you. Your tribe project is due on Friday this week. If you haven't already done so and your tribe lived in a teepee, I still have the teepee template available for you. Otherwise, please watch this video link. I basically model how to do the actual triangle portion. I know I modeled it on our Zoom last week, but I thought you guys might need a refresher course. And you're going to create a scene to represent your tribe, okay? Think about one of your subtopics, what you've learned a lot about. Again, these were my examples from my students last year. Some of them had teepees, some of them built wigwams, some of them built longhouses, some of them made whole scenes of their tribe hunting for bear or elk or deer or buffalo. Some of them made racks of deer skin and like beads to show the beadwork and how valuable the beads were to them. Some of them showed them fishing, but they just did little scenes inside them. So you have until Friday to get this done, and then Friday you'll present it on Flipgrid. Reading today, you are going to read the books on Epic and the links that are provided to you. Again, those links are located on the next slide, and you do have access to Epic as well. I do think that the links have more information on them. You're going to take notes. Again, there's a review video on how to take notes. And then again, these are your subtopics this week. Please try to find information on all 3 subtopics. Last week on Padlet, some of you only added information for 1 or 2 of the subtopics and not all of them. So you are required to come up with at least 1 piece of information for each of those subtopics, and you have today and tomorrow to do that. Writing, you're going to do another write long. So you're going to take another one of your Post-its and you're going to write long about it for 5 minutes. Again, I'm asking you to try to use at least 2 of the sentence starters on the right side of the screen. You can do this on line paper at home and send me a picture, or you can use the write long template that's on Google Classroom. Please be careful. Some of you have been like deleting them and things like that, so then when I go to access it, I can't. So if you're doing it online, just type and then exit. Here is my write long sample for this week. Mine is focused on the subtopic immigration and kind of some of the hardships that the Lenape had to face with that. Math today, we are doing 7.11 today. Your new math goal is to investigate comparison fraction number stories using different models and or the number line. I will say this, This is one of the harder skills you've done. And eventually this week you'll do a freckle assignment. And this is like borderline third grade, fourth grade level work. So please take your time with this. Do your best. The more patient you are and willing to draw things out to prove your thinking, the more accurate you're going to be. So you are going to need a math journal page before you begin. Watch my teacher video, and then there is an exit slip. 7.11 is going to be 2 days, so you'll start this today, and I'll make another video for you tomorrow to continue to practice, because as I said, this is a third and fourth grade level skill. I am not posting science for you this week because I really want you to focus on your tribes and have time to really do a nice job on your projects. But if you do want some other optional activities, there are some early finisher things on the last slide. Okay. Again, if you have any questions, I'm available throughout the day in the chat on the slides and through emails. Bye guys. See you at 11.